Hi, this is Alex with Windows Report, and today we'll be taking a look at Skype. Yeah, you know, the app that nobody knows about? No, but seriously, I think there's at least one trick here that you did not know about. Let's do this from simple to complex. The easiest one being that the up key can be used as a shortcut for editing your last message. Renaming contacts? Yes, that's a thing. If your contacts didn't have funny names before, well, now they do. Another interesting fact that did not occur to me: file transfers. The size limit on Skype is 300 megs, which makes it pretty good as it hits that sweet spot between email and full-blown transfer service. Remember when we could just send people files directly without using cloud services? Yeah, whatever happened to that? Anyway, I guess I'm just showing my age, and no, this is not a segue into the next section. Okay, maybe it is. So check this out. You can take Skype back in time with separate windows. Wow, I haven't seen this since, I don't know, because I don't really do my research. What I can tell you though is that this is called split view mode. I was gonna mention screen share, but I feel like you probably know about it already. Oh, you didn't? Okay then, so you basically click on this button during a call to share your screen with someone that you have something to show to. Hey, it's not creepy, it's educational. Speaking of educational, I saved the best for last. Did you know that you can use Skype as a security camera? You'll need 2 accounts, that's true, but the setup is very simple. On the device that you want to use as a camera, say your laptop, you'll have to go into Settings, Calling, and then go to Advanced. Here you have to enable Answer Incoming Calls automatically and Start My Video automatically. Now make sure that this device doesn't go into sleep mode automatically, and see to it that you're hooked to an outlet. You don't want to run out of juice, do you? Anyway, presuming that you have this second account in your contact list, you just need to call and boom, you're spying on your own kitchen. Now I can finally find out who has been stealing all my carrots. I think I know that guy. Trains in my gym. Anyway, until we meet again, make sure you stay connected to windowsreport.com for that error-free tech life, and don't forget to browse our channel for more tips, tricks, and relevant tech videos. See you next time!